The Hammond B3 Drawbars, up close and personal. This tutorial is about the Hammond B3 Drawbars, up close and personal. I have had many people who are interested in playing the B3 ask about the drawbars and how to use them. Is there a method for creating my own sound? I'm going to go step by step through their functions, how they work individually and together. Well, and this is how you start. What we actually have, I'm showing you all the drawbars, the sub fundamental, and then I show you the 8, which is how you read it, then sub third harmonic, which is 8/8 when you have both of them pulled out, then the fundamental, which is 8/8. Now add the second harmonic, and that would be 4/8. And then when you add a third harmonic, which is the 5th tab, you read it 8/8. And when you add the fourth harmonic, it would be 6/8, which is the 6th. And the 7th, when you pull it out, 7/8 and an 8. I think you see the pattern as it develops. This is the way you read organ music for the Hammond when you see the key stops at the top of the page. So in order to name each one of the drawbars and understand its position in the overall scheme of sound of a Hammond B3, let's talk in terminologies based on the pipe organ set, or the concept of pitch terminology for organs. The standard fundamental pitch for an organ is an 8-foot pitch, which is considered to be the fundamental. So the first drawbar is drawbar 1, is a 16-foot, 1 octave below fundamental pitch, or the sub fundamental drawbar. Let me let you hear middle C being played with each one. The next one, and I'm using a organ pipe to represent the drawbar right now. We will substitute the drawbars in presently, but this one is the 5 1/3 foot, or 1/5 above the fundamental, which we call the sub third harmonic drawbar. This is the drawbar 3, or the 8-foot fundamental. This is drawbar 4, which is the 4-foot, 1 octave above the fundamental, or the 2nd harmonic. Drawbar 5. This is the 2 2/3 foot, 1 octave and 1/5 above the fundamental, which is the 3rd harmonic. This is drawbar 6, which is the 2-foot, which is 2 octaves above the fundamental, or the 4th harmonic, or the 4th harmonic. This is drawbar 7, which is 1 3/5 foot, which is 2 octaves and 1 major third above the fundamental, which is 2 octaves and 1 major third above the fundamental. Drawbar 8, which is 1 1/3 foot, which is 2 octaves and 1/5 above the fundamental, or the 6th harmonic. The 6th harmonic. And this is the last drawbar, drawbar 9, which represents a 1-foot pipe, which is 3 octaves above the fundamental, or the 8th harmonic. The 8th harmonic. And notice right now that there is no 7th harmonic, because that particular frequency does not have an appearance on our tonal scale. that we use. Let's listen to them in combination now. Let's just call it the 1 and the 2. 1 and 3. 1 and 4. 1 and 5. 1 and 6. 'These are all pulled out to the 8th stop. 1 and 7. 1 and 8. 1 and 9. My email is truebroadband@hotmail.com. That's truebroadband@hotmail.com. The end.